In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage multiple profiles in Google Chrome. Whether you share your computer with family members or just like keeping your work and personal browsing experiences separate, this feature can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've got the browser up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find an icon representing your current profile. This might be your Google account picture, if you've set one, or a more generic avatar. It's your portal to managing Chrome profiles. Click on this profile icon, and a menu will unfold before you. In this menu, you're looking for an option that says Add or Add New Profile. Clicking this will launch you into the process of creating a new browsing profile within Chrome. At this stage, you're presented with a couple of options for setting up your profile. The first, and perhaps the most integrated option, is to sign in with a Google account. If you choose this path, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. After signing in, you'll have the option to turn on Sync. Now, what Sync does is pretty handy. It saves bookmarks, history, passwords, and any other Google settings linked to your account, making them accessible across any device where you're logged into this new Chrome profile. It's a seamless way to ensure your browsing data travels with you, whether you're at home, at work, or on a mobile device. On the flip side, if you prefer a more independent setup, perhaps for privacy reasons, or because you're setting up a profile for a guest user, you can continue without signing into a Google account. This option allows you to use Chrome with local settings only, which means your data stays confined to the machine you're currently using. After you've decided on your setup, a new window opens dedicated to the profile you've just created. This is where you can get a bit creative with the customization options. Choose a name for your profile. You might pick something functional like work or family, or go with something more personal. You can also choose a color scheme to distinguish it visually from other profiles. Adding a personal touch not only helps in recognizing the profile at a glance, but also makes the user experience a bit more enjoyable. Once you've set everything up, switching between profiles couldn't be easier. Anytime you need to use a different profile, just click the profile icon again in the corner. From the drop-down menu, simply select the desired profile, and Chrome will open that profile in a new window. And there you have it. A straightforward, efficient way to manage different profiles within Google Chrome. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.